Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. At this channel I upload informative videos about binary option trading. If you want to try this platform, get link below in description. If you want to try free signals for binary option, get free signals link in description. You can copy my trading strategy by watching my videos completely. So don't skip the video and copy my strategy to become a profitable trader. In today's video I am going to show you my trading skills on binary option. This is IQ option platform. I select assets pair euros United States dollar, British pounds United States dollar and United States dollars JPY. Candle time I select 1 minute as usual. Trade expiration time will be 3 minutes. As you can see that market is going to upward direction. But currently it's running on retracement. And looking soon it will go back to continue its trend. Then I will place my orders to upward direction. Don't skip the video and watch till end. As a binary options trader, it is important to have the right skills and knowledge to make informed decisions and maximize your profits. One important factor to consider is the time frame you use for your trades. The 3-minute time frame is a popular choice for traders who prefer short-term trades, as it allows for quick decisions and potentially higher profits. If you are new to binary options trading and want to improve your chances of success, here are some general tips. Educate yourself. Learn about binary options trading and how it works. Read articles, watch videos, and practice on demo accounts before investing real money. Create a trading plan. Decide on your trading strategy. Set clear goals and stick to your plan. Manage your risk. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, and use risk management tools such as stop-loss orders. Stay up to date. Keep an eye on the market news and events that may affect your trades. Remember, the best way to succeed in binary options trading is through diligent research, disciplined trading, and a sound understanding of the market. Subscribe for more informative videos about binary options. Wish you good luck.